guys, welcome to Superflows. I'm Hrushi, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add notifications feature to your React navigation bar. Superflows is an npm library which provides you reusable components to speed up your React development. This video is a part of a series on sfnav, which is the navigation bar component provided by Superflows. Until this point, we have seen how to get started with the navigation bar, how to customize the brand information, the menu, how to get started with the search input, how to add a sign-in button, how to add user profile information when the user is a logged in user, and how to add a back button to your navigation bar. We are going to take it forward from there. If you want to revisit these videos, I have added the links in the description. Whenever you want to add a notifications feature to your navigation bar, you essentially need to add three things. One is the notification bell. Second is the list, a drop-down list of the recent notifications. And third is the view all button, which redirects the user or navigates the user to the list of all notifications. Superflows provides all these components. By default, the notifications feature is disabled. To enable it, set the show notifications property to true. Once it is set to true, you will see that the notification bell appears, and after you click it, a drop-down notification list, which is a default list, will show. If you want to customize this list, you can compose your own JSON object and JSON object, which is essentially a JSON array, and set it to the notification list prop. Every item in this object contains a title, a description, and a timestamp, which essentially indicates when the notification arrived. It also contains a boolean flag whether or not, which indicates whether or not the notification has been read. If you want to customize the bell icon, changing that is also fairly straightforward. Just import any icon library of your choice, import any icon of your choice from that library, and pass that icon object to the notification icon property in the sfnav component. If you want to receive a callback when the user clicks on any particular notification, you can subscribe to the on notification clicked callback. If you want to receive a callback when the user clicks on the view all button, you can subscribe to the on view all notifications clicked callback. If you want to be completely in control and customize the look and feel according to your design requirements, please go ahead and use the inline CSS facilities provided by Superflows. Just use any of the notification related style props for the same. I'm showing you an example here. That's it then. In this video, I have shown you how to integrate the notifications feature in your navigation bar. If you have liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button. Also, go ahead, hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel to stay in touch with me and know more, receive further updates about rapid React development using Superflows. Thank you very much.